Hi everyone, Fumilayo here, and welcome to the channel. I'm doing a 50-day check-in because we just crossed 50 days of the 100 days Python programming challenge. So this is going to be like a really short video of me just checking in to see how everybody is, how you're finding the tutorial so far. It has been amazing. I'm trying to reply to as much comment as I can possibly can, and I'm trying to push as much videos as I possibly can. But it has been awesome. So if I've not replied your comment, I would get to it. All your comments are valid. I appreciate all the ideas to the code. Like, you can try this method, you can try that method. I'm like, it is awesome, and there are multiple ways to solve a Python problem. So it's always awesome to hear your feedbacks on the way that you would approach a problem. And that is really, really good. So I say thank you very much. It has really been good doing the 50 days challenge. I don't think I would get that far. We're supposed to start the challenge in October, but then October 1st, and then I moved it to October 15, and then I moved it to November 1st, which was officially the start day. So we started on November 1st, 2024, and we've built on the basics of Python. I think we've covered almost all the topics, and I think now we can go to the advanced Python stuff. There's still so much more to cover. So I would be answering some of the questions that I've seen so far. There would be a bigger video after the 100 days. I'm even thinking of going live on YouTube and Instagram and the rest. So I've never gone live on all this platform before, but I would keep you updated if there would be like a live 100 days party or something. So now to the video. So the first question that I get often, the question I get most often is that, do I offer tutorship or mentorship? Currently, it's not possible for me to have one-on-one tutorship with a student because I do work full-time, and this is like a side thing. So I do work full-time, so it is not possible to have one-on-one mentorship. And then the suggestion I got was creating a community, like a Discord channel or a WhatsApp community or Telegram group. And I think I would do that because then we can have like a group with multiple people who want to learn Python. And even if there's a question that you want to ask and I'm not even available to answer the question, other people in the group would be able to like jump in and answer the question. So I think having like a community would be great. And I'm in the process of creating it, and I'm sure when you see this video, the link to join the community would be in the description. So you can click the link, join the community, and let's talk about programming nonstop. That should be fun. And then I think the other thing that I want to talk about is that if you want to get regular updates about the channel, about what I'm doing, there's also a link to a newsletter. So you can sign up for the Beth Media newsletter, and I will send you a newsletter once a week. Do not worry, I will not spam you with so much newsletter. It'll just be one newsletter a week, and then you can get updates about the videos, about the challenge, about what Beth Media is doing in the future, and so on and so forth. So that is something you should do. You should check out. And then another question that I got is that, what is this Python tutorial for? But you know, when you want to learn Python, you don't usually know what you want to do at first, because sometimes the part of Python that you end up branching into, whether it is web development, whether it is machine learning, whether it is data science, and the rest, sometimes depends on what you're being taught at the moment in school, or what you choose to study in school, or what you're currently doing at work. Most of the tools that I currently use in day-to-day life is because we're using it at the office, so that's why I'm currently using it. So that's why this tutorial is just not focused on just one aspect. It is just like a broad approach to Python. It's just a broad overview. So not really dedicated to like, oh, this tutorial, this 100 days is just dedicated to data science or it's just dedicated to web development. We're just kind of like touching bits and pieces of each, and then it's then left for you to decide that, oh, do I want to pursue further in web development? Do I want to pursue further in data science, and so on and so forth? That is a choice left for you to make. So another question is that, as recording this video, has it been challenging so far? It has been fun because most of the topics are like basics that I've not touched in a long time, and then I had to like go back. It actually makes me remember an episode in Grey's Anatomy when Teddy made Christina like go back to the basics.
Basics, people, fundamentals.
And then they both discover that even though they are like at the top of their field, they forgot the basics.
I can't remember what comes next.
It's always good to like go back to the basics and actually learn the basics. So that's actually been really fun to go back to the fundamentals, like Christina Yang said in Grey's
And you're all about the fundamentals.
Anatomy, and relearn the stuff that I already learned like years ago. So it has been fun. I think it's the recording process that has been a little challenging, because I'm recording, I'm editing, I'm posting, replying to comments, doing all at once. But when I want to get tired, like, oh, maybe I should just stop, maybe I shouldn't record, maybe I shouldn't do anything, then suddenly one person subscribes to the channel and I'm like, now I have to go record. But it has been good. It has been good. This is not me complaining. It has been fun interacting with each and every one of you. So it has been good. I'm not complaining. On TikTok, we've gained over 900 followers since we started this challenge. And on YouTube, like 600 subscribers. So that has been great. So we're posting on YouTube, and there are clips on TikTok and Instagram and Trends and Twitter. So, and Blue Sky. I think Blue Sky is a new social media platform. So we're also posting there. So the videos you see on Instagram and TikTok, they are just a clip of the video. It's just me clipping out 30 seconds or 40 seconds of a 10, 15, 20 minutes video. So to really understand it, it would be advisable for you to watch the full video, because I can't put like the whole video on TikTok. Go to YouTube, watch the full video. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. If you have suggestions, leave them in the comments. I really, really appreciate the suggestion, because getting feedback actually helps, because I don't know, are you able to like hear me clearly? I just got like a new microphone because someone said the audio was not so good. So I got a new microphone. And then are you able to see the codes? Because someone said the codes are like tiny. So then now the codes are like zoomed in. I won't know all the things if you do not give me feedback. And are you able to like easily download the Jupyter Notebook from GitHub? Is everything working fine? When you run the codes, do they work the way it's supposed to work? There are sometimes we use like input files. They are in the special input folder in GitHub, so you can also get it from there and run your codes. Let me know if everything works as it's supposed to. It should work as it's supposed to, but you never can tell. So let me know if everything works fine. And tell me, what do you think of the new setup? There's Santa Claus trying to come out from the window, and then we have the art, and I think I kind of like it. And now I got like a new camera, so the video quality would be good going forward. So this has been an amazing experience. If you're just starting the 100 days, there's no problem. The videos would be on YouTube. I'm not taking it down anytime soon, so you can watch it. And if you have comments, I would always like go back to check comments. So do not worry that, oh, you're leaving a comment after 3 months the tutorial is over. I would check it, and I would reply as soon as I can. But to get updates, it is better you sign up for the newsletter or you join the community, so we can always keep in touch. So that is it for the first 50 days of the 100 days Python programming challenge. I will let you know before day 100 if we would go live on YouTube or Instagram, or maybe we would go live on our channel, or maybe to just be like a video like this. If you have any questions that you want me to answer, write them. I would compile them and prep for day 100. But it's day 50, and this is amazing. It's day 50. And it's almost Christmas. I got my Christmas sweater. I got my Christmas hat. I got my nice fancy Christmas jug. Drinking my hot chocolate. This is awesome. Life is good. Python is fun. So, Merry Christmas in advance and see you tomorrow for day 51 of the 100 Days Python Programming Challenge. Do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you tomorrow.